Welcome to Guild International, world leader in the design and manufacturing of coil processing equipment. Guild International has been an industry leader in the development of coil processing equipment used around the world in the steel processing, tube producing, and stamping industries. Since 1958, Guild has led the industry for innovative design and manufacturing processes to build cutting-edge equipment to aid industries improve production, reduce scrap, and to become more efficient and profitable. As demand continues to increase for worldwide steel production, Guild is leading the way with state-of-the-art coil edge joining machines that just a few years ago seemed unthinkable. The design engineers at Guild continue to reimagine what's possible in laser welding technology and have led the industry with new possibilities for weld speed, strength, and reliability. From arc welders, to resistance welders, to laser welders, to complete tube mill entry systems, Guild's machines are the most technically advanced welding solutions on the market. Guild's team of engineers are dedicated to helping customers assess and determine their coil end joining needs to ensure proper equipment design and compatibility with existing equipment. With thousands of installations around the globe, Guild International has the experience, know-how and manufacturing capability to help their customers stay competitive in today's manufacturing environment. We encourage you to reach out to Guild, to connect with one of our engineers, or visit our website at www.guildint.com for more information.